How's it, everyone? Welcome to my channel. I am so excited because I just received a package and I wanted to do an unboxing for you because I thought it would be a very good idea as a first video to do an unboxing. Welcome to Val's Views. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you will enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's open this package. Guys, I just have to mention that I know that the couriers already did sanitize the package, so I will try not touch my face before I go and wash my hands. So I ordered this, I think, on the 2nd of June. Today is the 11th, so it took a while for it to get here, but I think it's also because of lockdown. They have a little bit of backlog. So this item I purchased at our online Foschini store. Foschini would probably be the equivalent to Sephora. And I am so excited to open this for you. Please don't mind my nails. We've been in lockdown, so they don't look as good as they should, but yeah, what can you do? Okay, so let's get this open. Just my scissors and open this. I don't want to damage anything. So guys, I have to tell you something. This is a perfume, and I'm into perfumes lately. I have decided to start my collection about 2 months ago, and it's been going great. I think it's because of the YouTube videos I've been watching throughout the lockdown. So I'm just going to put that aside. So yeah, I think it triggered something in me to start collecting perfumes again. I used to do it way back, and then when I finished them, I didn't really buy a lot. I just kept like 2 which I used for the past few years, and then I thought, no, let me rather start collecting again. Okay, so guys, you could probably see what I bought, but oh wow, look at this. So this is the Marc Jacobs Decadence, oh so decadent, yes. And the reason why I decided to buy this one is because I am absolutely in love with the original Decadence. I got a sample of it, I smelled it, and I'm obsessed. And then I decided to buy it, and I went on the online store, and then I saw this one is on sale. So I decided to take this one instead. Oh my goodness, I have to open this. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry about that. So I decided to buy this one instead because I actually want to buy the whole Decadence range. So since this one was on sale, I decided, let me buy the one that's on sale, and I'll wait for the others to go on sale as well, because in these times you have to save your coin. And so that is what I did. Oh man, guys, this is so exciting. Oh, okay. There's one box, and then you get the perfume in there. So I take it this would be the lid of the perfume. Okay, so let's take this one out, and this is a 30 ml 30 ml perfume. There it is. This is so beautiful. The glass, the frosted glass is exquisite. Okay, so let's just unbox the lid. Guys, yo. Oh my word. I'm even shaking. Oh wow. Guys, look at that. This is beautiful. Wow. And it goes on top like that. Perfect fit. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I really can't complain. This is also a blind buy, so I have absolutely no idea what this smells like. So we're gonna give it a taste. Okay, back over here so that you can see it properly. Okay, what am I gonna use? I'll first use this. I don't have anything to test it on now, and I'm already wearing perfume. And if you are interested, today I am wearing Gucci Bamboo. It's not a full bottle, it's also a sample, because I'm testing it out before I'm going to buy it. But yeah, okay, so let's test this. Okay. Oh goodness, goodness, goodness. Oh, nice sprayer as well. Oh wow, guys. Oh, this is so lovely. This is gorgeous, guys. Oh man, this is really, really gorgeous. It's a lot lighter than the original Decadence and smoother as well, I would say. I'm not very good at notes, so I'm not going to do the notes for you. I'll probably do it when I do a full review on this perfume. But this is lovely, guys. I am not mad. I am really not mad. I'm actually very excited. It smells very classy, light, airy, smooth. That is the best word to describe it, smooth. Ah, this is lovely, guys. Man, so that is it. That is my little unboxing for today. And look at that. This is just perfection. I just love these bottles. I know that some people do not like them. I've seen a few reviews where people are saying they really don't like the bottle. But I personally love this bottle. It looks like a bag, like a little mini bag. I'm just afraid it will fall. But it looks like a mini bag, and I am also a girl that's very into my handbags. So yeah, so pretty and so gorgeous. I cannot wait to make my next Marc Jacobs Decadence purchase, so that I can collect the whole range. Looking forward to that. So this, guys, is beautiful. I would recommend this if you are not into the original one, which is a bit heavy. It has a heavy plum note in it, but this one is quite fresh and smooth, and I think this is a scent that anybody would love. I think this is a very safe blind buy. So yeah, that's it for Marc Jacobs Decadence. Oh so decadent. Thank you so much for watching this video, this unboxing. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you would like, you can subscribe to my channel by hitting the red button and also the notification bell so that you are alerted when I post new videos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am wishing you a blessed day, and please continue to smell great, and looking forward to our next meeting. Bye guys.